What have you done today to make God notice you? What have you done today to make God smile? Tweet it. Put it on Facebook, Instagram. It's a catchy phrase, a slogan, a good quote. Ask yourself, what have I done today to make God smile, to make God notice me? God smiles when he sees you worshiping and honoring him, giving him thanks. That's in anything you do. Having the right attitude, having a positive mind. That's worship. That's giving God thanks. Regardless of what it is, if you're doing it in the right attitude, with the right focus, with a positive mind, you are pleasing God. Remember, that's with anything, whether it's raising your children, going to work, helping someone else, working in customer service, doing whatever it is. If you're having and doing these things in the right attitude, it is pleasing to God. God notices you and he smiles. Now, know that it's not super deep. It's basic, elementary. It's simple. It's my daily life, my doing, the things I do, what I do, my mannerism, my momentum, my flow. Once again, I said it in previous videos, my swag, the way I do things. But if my attitude is positive, I rise. I make God notice me. I make God smile. And who don't want God to smile at them or notice them? Remember, hold it. Remember, God created you. You are created in the image and likeness of him with special gifts and special talents. And you are created like no one else. No one else has your fingerprint. No one. Not even your twin brother or sister. Not your granny, your uncle Skip, your cousin Pete. Nobody has your fingerprint. God created you for a purpose. Purpose. You have purpose in life. Your life matters. So regardless of your elevation, your status, your statutes, where you live, your environment, whether you're in New Mexico, Brazil, Puerto Rico, or right here in the United States, you were made for a purpose. Find your purpose. Home in on it. No one knows your purpose but God. So that's the missing piece to the puzzle. God, you must seek him. Regardless of anything else you've done in life, you must seek God to find that. You work, you push, you move. You want your life to be relevant. Regardless of what you did. Yes, in the past, you may have done some crazy things in life. You may have shot up the world. You may have drank up everything. You have sinned. We have all sinned and come short of the glory of God. We have all made mistakes. We have all done wrong. Remember, no one in this world is perfect. Only God is perfect. We strive for perfection. We push to do the things that are right. But God is the missing piece to the puzzle. He can only unlock those secrets, those gifts, those talents, what he made you for. So seek him, ask him, pray. Lord, show me. And remember, it comes with time. 49, still finding my way. People older than me, still finding their way. Some people get it real fast. But you don't want to be one of those people who are not doing what they were created, what they were born to do. You must find your own, home into your own things. Don't live for others and what others think about you and what they may say. Just like your own fingerprint, your chromosome, your genetics, God made you for a special reason. Even if you're gray, if one ear is bigger than the other one, if your eye is smaller, or if they're drawn in each other, even if the way you talk, your mouth is crooked when you talk, or you smile halfway, regardless of whatever it is, like I spoke about certain character flaws back weeks ago, you still have a reason and a purpose for being here in this world. Don't let all that mess get you. Those are small. They're just things to keep from getting to where you need to be. Your main focus is, Lord, why am I here? Remember, God is the missing piece to that puzzle. So you push forward to doing what you got to do. You live your life according to the way that you're supposed to live it. Think back, most of us, when we were even small, we've been going to church, we've been going to Bible school, we've been going to Sunday school, and regardless of the situation of whether your parents, your grandparents sent you or however it went, whether they went or they didn't go, they saw enough in you, they love you, they sent you. A special seed was sown because they saw enough in you to make sure you get the proper teaching, the right teaching. No, it wasn't just to get rid of you. It wasn't just to get you out of their hair for a short period of time. They saw something in you. Regardless of what they did, they knew that going to church, being around somebody positive, getting the proper word, being focused on good things, positive things, things above godly, that the seed would be planted in them and they would be able to produce great things. They saw that in you. Whether or not they sent you to special schools, public schools, private schools, extracurricular activities, whatever it is, your teaching. Whether they had to move you to a different place or not, it's the teaching. Because we all going to encounter certain situations in life that we don't like. But if we handle these things in positivity, with the right mindset, if our heart is right and we keep pushing, we're going to excel. We shall progress to great things. We shall come out on top. So just because your parents sent you, remember, they weren't trying to just get rid of you. They saw something in you. And even your parents don't know all. They don't know all that God is put inside of you. We live our lives sometimes predicated to what our parents and grandparents, brothers and sisters say. We're living their life. A lot of people are living their lives. Your parents, your grandparents, your mothers, your sisters, your brothers, uncles. You got to live your life. See me? Your life. Live your life. Why God created you. Once again, God is the missing piece to the puzzle. Search and seek him. Regardless of the fact, you want to impact. You were made to impact people, change people's lives, to create, to build, to produce. You were made to do these things. So in everything you do, give honor, give thanks. Whether it be helping, taking out the trash, whatever field of work or line of work you in, the heart's desire, if that thing keep budging at you and burning inside of you to start your own business, to do whatever, find your gift. Tune it. Do what you need to do. But seek God. Read, understanding. Get someone who can impact your life. Wherever you feel you want to go, I stress it and always drive it hard. Follow them. Internet is full up. Read, research, watch, study. Always be around someone who is better than you. Let them help you, pull you in. If they ain't willing to help, find you somebody else who will help. Because there are people out here who will help you. They will help you. No one wants to be following, running behind an empty wagon, making a whole bunch of noise. People are created to help one another. All of us are here to help each other in some way, shape, or form. Some aspect of life. That's what we're here for. But our main purpose of living in this world is to be giving God thanks, making him happy, putting a smile on his face. So like I said in the beginning, what have you done today to make God notice you? Have you done anything to bring a smile to God's face, to bring him joy? Because if you have and he's looking at you and smiling, you are already blessed. Keep up that good work. Know that within inside of you, inside of me, we are made for a purpose and a reason. I shall pursue. I shall advance. Because I'm focused, I'm attentive, I'm persistent, I'm confident. I am a person of great character. I am a conqueror. Move forward in your next step. Help someone along the way. If you can't help someone, then renegotiate, rethink your thoughts. Get your mindset straight. Your mindset, your attitude, all of that is the purpose of you being here. You must help someone else. No selfishness. So let's help. Let's pull out. Let's pull others up. Let's do what we need to do. Know that I was created for a purpose. And my purpose, I may not have found it yet, but I'm pushing every day to find it. But I will make God notice me. I will bring a smile to God's face because my attitude is right. I'm pushing forward, doing what I need to do. And so what? If you're 78 years old and you still have breath in your body, God is still blessing and touching you. For an example, it is not too late. So never tell yourself, oh, I'm too old for this. It's never too late. If you're still here and he's still giving you grace and mercy, which he is if you're on this earth, you have time to work, to walk, to help others, to home in your gift, to figure out what it is you were created for and what you are supposed to do. We thank you for tuning in today. Be blessed. And know that if you haven't told someone you love them, tell someone you love them and give them a smile. And right here on Positive Talk today, we are promoting helping others, pushing forth, and finding that missing piece to the puzzle. And that missing piece is God. Search for him. Meditate on him. Read his word. You have a voice. Make it positive.